surprised that he looked me up. Hello? Are you there? This song is called I Love You Madly. It's one of my first love songs that I wrote. I wrote other love songs, but this one was one that was really impactful and a lot of people liked it. So that was kind of nice. But yeah, I love you madly. And baby, I've got you on my mind. My chemicals on wild with just the thought of you. Oh, you make me shine. I love the way you wake me up. You kiss so sweet, can't get enough. With breakfast on you, fill my cup. I love you madly. Oh, I love you madly. Can you and me were made for we laugh and sing under the sun. The moon shines bright, we get it all. I love you madly. Love you madly. Oh, well, baby, see, our love is hard to find. It would take a whole lifetime for just a taste of this. Oh, it's one of a kind. And I love the way you say I'm yours. And I love it when we walk on shores. But most of all, it's you I adore. I love you madly. Oh, I love you madly. And times are beautiful, so beautiful, yes they are. Filled with honeydew, flowers and guitar. And I wrote a song for you to sing how special you are. Oh, you are. Oh, well, baby, I've got you on my mind. My chemicals on wild with just the thought of you. Oh, I love you madly. Oh, I love you madly. madly.